Polygon intersection with line, Python Shapely. I have been trying to use Shapely to find the intersection of a line and a polygon, but I'm having issues with some floating point numbers. Example code. What I would expect is a list of 2 vertices. Edit. I have tested using Shapely version 1.12 and GEOS of 3.3.1, 3.3.5, 3.3.6, 3.3.7. In case anyone is curious as to how I updated the GEOS version on Windows. Downloaded the GEOS version tar.bz2 from the GEOS website. Extracted the files and ran Make on it, using the Visual Studio 10 Win64 generator. Opened the SLN file and built it, then moved the generated geos_c.dll and pasted it over where geos_c.dll had been installed by Shapely in the Python directory.
Shapely is built on top of a C wrapper around the C++ GEOS library. Somewhere deep inside this C++ library sit the precision classes which handle round-off errors. I think we may conclude that your version of Shapely, and the GEOS libraries, handle this case differently. Unfortunately, the code that accesses the precision model is not available in the C API, and therefore neither in Shapely. See this URL. Changing to a higher version of GEOS might solve your issue, though. It works fine on my machine with Shapely the 1st of February 2016 and LibGeos 3.3.5 copy 1.7.5.